Show that the sequence 9, 12, 15, 18, and so on is an AP, and find its eighth term and the general term. General term is nothing but the nth term. Here, the first term is 9, so we can call A equals 9. Let's recall the definition of an AP. Any sequence which increases or decreases by a fixed number is called an AP. If you observe here, we see that the first term is 9, the second term is 12, the third term is 15, the fourth term is 18. The difference of second term and first term is 3. The difference of the third term and the second term is also 3. The difference of fourth term and the third term is also 3. So here the terms increase by a fixed number, which is 3. Therefore, this is an AP. So we have the first term A equals 9. The common difference is 3. We need to find the eighth term. We know that the general term or nth term formula is an equals a plus n minus 1 d. The general term is 9 plus n minus 1 times d, which is 3, which can be simplified to 9 plus 3n minus 3 or 6 plus 3n. So the general term is 6 plus 3n, and we want to find the eighth term. So you replace n with 8. So replacing n with 8, we get 6 plus 3 times 8, which is 6 plus 24 or equals 30. We can also find eighth term directly by using the formula A8 equals A plus 8 minus 1 D or A plus 7D. And this will be 9 plus 7 times 3. So you have 9 plus 21, which is equal to 30.